not a lot of work. I could help you, Brewster.
You're too little, Zephy. You have to be big and strong like me to pull freight. Anything else, Phie?
At the safari park, pick up some animal feed that got delivered there by mistake and return it to the farm.
Got it.
Then collect a load of granite tiles at the quarry and bring them back to the depot.
Will do, Phie. I'll go as soon as I've had my morning chug wash.
What about me, Phie? Have I got lots of jobs?
No, sorry, Zephy. I don't have anything for a little chugger at the moment.
I wish I was big and could help more. I could share Brewster's jobs and help him out. I'll show him what a useful little chugger I am. Then he won't laugh next time I offer to help. What would Brewster pick? I know, a boxcar. Brewster's little helper is ready to roll.
And now the dryer.
Train-tastic!
He's tickling me.
Aha! There are the eggs. Okie dokie. Open doors, connect to the conveyor belts. Oops. Now these go to Safari Park? Yeah, they're probably for Ebo the elephant.
All scrubbed up and ready to roll.
Thanks to Brewster's little helper, Ebo will have eggs for his breakfast.
Any available chugger report for duty.
Oh, that's me. I'm free. Whee!
On my way, Phie. Chugga, 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 chugga.
Oh, a job. I'd like a job.
Me! Pick me! I'm here, Phie. I'm ready to roll.
Ready to go, Phie.
I'm ready.
Thanks, everyone. But I only need one chugger, and Zephy was here first.
Yippee!
Can you take Dr. Gosling around the safari park, please? He's got to do some checkups on the animals.
Wowee! I've never worked in the safari park.
Oh, not fair.
Don't worry, trainees. You'll be busy too. Dunbar's waiting for you in the loading yard.
Hey, it's training time.
Chugga, chugga, chug, chug.
Hey, wait for me.
See you later. Yellow, blue, red, green.
Ride safely, Zephy.
I will.
Chugger approaching.
Hi, Emery. Guess what? I'm going to the safari park to see the animals.
Really? You wouldn't catch me there.
Why?
You'd better watch out for the monkeys. They're so naughty.
Really?
They want to climb on you and pull your wipers. Or steal your bell. Anyway, got a ride. Have fun, Zephy.
Oh, I'm not sure I want to go to the safari park anymore.
Good morning, trainees.
Hi, Dunbar.
Today, you're going to do a special exercise to practice your crane control skills.
Cool. What are we loading? Is it something really heavy?
Not heavy, just round and bouncy and hard to grip.
A ball?
Well, cargo comes in all shapes and sizes. All right, young chuggers, let's get buckled up. We're going to the park to do a relay race.
Hey, Zephy, guess what?
What?
Action Chugger's new movie's having its first ever screening at the ride-in today.
Yippee! Let's go, shall we?
Try and stop me. Action Chugger's going to be there.
Zephy, you're late for your pickup.
Oops, I'm on my way. Hiya.
Rag Barnstaple, reporter from the Chugginton Gazette.
What was that?
Sorry, didn't mean to startle you.
Oh, this is Snap. He's the newspaper photographer.
Just checking my camera's working. You never know when there'll be a chance for a good picture.
Ooh, I like your necklace.
That's not a necklace. It's my press pass.
What's that?
Oh, it's a special badge that lets people know I'm a reporter. It allows me into places where most people can't go. See, a reporter's got to do anything to get a story.
Wow, I'd like one of those.
Here, you can wear it if you like. Just give it back before I leave.
Thanks, Thanks, Rag.
You can be Zephie, ace reporter.
I can't believe you're going to do a story about Morgan. That's so exciting. What's going on?
The guys from the newspaper have come to talk to Morgan about his latest invention.
Oh, look! Here he comes!
Ooh, what is it?
It's a special tricycle for getting around Chuggington.
But I take Morgan where he wants to go.
Morning, Morgan. Rag Barnstable from the Gazette.
Hello there. Well, what do you think?
I've never seen anything like it.
I call it the track cycle. It means I can drive myself around. It's great for running errands. Follow me.
Attention, please. Would any available chuggers report to the depot?
Sorry, Phie, I'm busy.
I need someone to pull a royal carriage.
Royalty? Oh, I'm on my way.
An elegant engine should pull a royal carriage. Who could that be? Oh, yes, me!
Ooh, I'd rather like that job.
Attention, please. Would any available chuggers report to the depot?
Wilson, just where do you think you're going?
To CV. I want to pull the royal carriage. We're trainees, remember?
Fee's not going to let one of us do it.
I suppose. Oh, but wouldn't it be perfecto? Everyone would be looking at me. Yeah. I wonder who the carriage belongs to.
Ah, red light. Nobody's approaching. I'll zip through quickly.
La, 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 dip, dip, dum. Oh! Harrison, you went through a red light. I have the right of way.
Sorry, Alwyn.
Oh, look what you've made me do.
May I say you're looking particularly lovely today, Alwyn?
Oh, do you think so? Well, really.
Chatsworth! Ah, thank goodness I caught you.
Ooh, is there a problem?
Haven't you heard? The track ahead's blocked. You'd better turn around.
Thanks, Harrison. Hang on. If it is blocked, where are you going?
To warn everyone else. Of course.
Oh, I see.
That job is as good as mine.
Oh, Puffer Pete, reporting for duty.
Morning, Pete. It's not busy, so why don't you take the day off?
Don't mind if I do. Thanks, Phie. Think I'll stay around the depot.
Special announcement. Approaching destination. Doors opening. I've brought Mr. Knott, the mayor's assistant. Good morning, Phie. Dunbar. Tomorrow is the anniversary of old Puffer Pete's first day in Chuggington. 150 years ago.
Wow.
That's great news.
The mayor has had a wonderful idea, but we're going to need to get Pete out of the way first.
Oh, no. I've given him the day off. He doesn't want to go anywhere.
I think I'll take a nap.
All chuggers report to the depot. Oh, except old Puffer Pete.
Hooray!
Okay, we have a plan. Take your places, chuggers. Puffer Pete to platform 3, please.
Here's Pete now.
I'm ready to roll.
Hello, young toaster.
Can't stop. It's really crazy.
Oh,
Oh, sorry, Pete. It's frantic. It's just a few jobs.
rattling rivets. The farm, the quarry, and the ice cream factory.
And on the way back, could you call at the paper mill and then do a drop-off at the printers?
Couldn't someone else go? Cupcake, would you mind?
Sorry, in a rush. I've got another 20 runs to make today.
Oh, well, how about I go to the ice cream factory and do the rest tomorrow?
I'm afraid it's all urgent, Pete.
I'm busy. Then I'm busy.